Okay, so just making this to document my LED halo install. So I have the headlights apart and I fish lined these halos with a little bit of glue onto the surround here. I've done both of them here. And I have the whole headlight apart. As you can see here, the housings, painted them satin black yesterday. And basically just going to be putting them together today. Here's the car. And this is what the car looks like right now. No bumper, no headlights, and no insurance. Alright, I will make part 2 when the headlights are together. Okay, so this is part 2 of the headlight halo install. As you can see, I have new lenses on. Same housing, but it's painted black now with the halo ring. I'm just finishing up the wiring here and have to install the HID ballast in the bulb, and that should be it. And then this one, still have to do the wiring. Car is still currently the same as before. As you can see, I purchased some cheap headlights from eBay, the original 2003 to 2005 HIDs, but I don't need those housings or these reflectors anymore, so I will be selling them soon, along with the old lenses, which are pretty yellow. I might restore them. But anyways, I will now be making a part 3 with the light running, and that will conclude this install. Thanks. Alright, so this is the final part of the video, and as you can see, lights are all hooked up. I rewired these to work with the halos. As you can see, they're quite bright online. And this is just a test fit here, but I will have them wired in and installed tomorrow. But as you can see, it turned out pretty good. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you.